good evening, especially to my Professor Ms. Fatima May Usmania. So I'm going to, this is my machine problem 2. About the I need to make NetBeans project, and I want to make define the two classes. The main contains the main method, the employee, then the last name, Handogan employee, Handogan, and the other class is the PaySlip, Handogan. So this is the specification of and the machine problem 2. So let's NetBeans. So we have here I finished the code and I need to run this for checking purposes for the grading. So this is the two classes, the employee and Dogan, and the other the PaySlip and Dogan. So this is our main method. This is the main class, the employee Handogan. So in this class, this class have several here, so here in the other class, the PaySlip Handogan. So this code defines a Java class called PaySlip Handogan, which represent a payslip for an employee. The class has several private member variables here. Employee name, name of the employee, basic salary, overtime hours, number of overtime hours worked, SSS, employee social security system contribution, pag-ibig, employee home development mutual fund contribution, PhilHealth, employees PhilHealth insurance contributions, income, and the employees gross income, withholding tax. This is the employees withholding tax and net pay. The employees net pay. The constructor of the class takes the employee's name, basic salary, the overtime hours, and as arguments, and initializes the member variables, the SSS, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and gross income, withholding tax, and net pay by calling the corresponding methods uh, compute gross income and compute withholding tax and compute net pay. So this is the code. The class has also has a number of getter and setter method for the member variables, as well as private static method called round, which is used to round the double value of a specified number of decimal places. The compute income, gross income here. Methods calculates the employee's gross income by adding the basic salary and of the overtime pay, which is calculated by multiplying overtime hours with 1% of the basic salary, and the result is rounded to 2 decimal places using the round method. The compute withholding tax method calculates the employee's withholding tax based on the employee's gross income using the Philippine withholding tax table. The result is also rounded to two decimal places using round method. The compute net pay calculates the employee net pay by subtracting the withholding tax, the SSS, pag-ibig, and PhilHealth from the gross income, and the result is rounded by 2 decimal places using the round method. The overall code is a Java implementation of a PaySlip, a calculator, overall this code is the implementation Java code using NetBeans of a PaySlip calculator for Philippine employees. And this is for the PaySlip and then in the other class is the main class. This code appears Java program that computes the payslip of an employee based on their name, basic salary, and number of overtime hours. The program creates payslip Handogan object to compute the payslip details, including the gross income and withholding tax. The program also computes the other deductions such as SSS, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and the net pay. The program then prints the payslip details and deduction to the console using system out-print line statement. So we need to this code, this program. Let's see if it will. So we need to enter the name. Let's see, it's Handogan. Make it short. Enter basic salary, for example, 30,000. Enter number of overtime hours, 8 hours. So So we have here the result of the computation. So basic salary, this is the payslip for Handog and Carlin. I will have here the automated date. This is the result, and this is a simple program. It's a simple salary calculator that takes input from the user for an employee's name, basic salary, and number of overtime hours. It then calculates the employee's gross income, withholding tax and various deductions such as SSS, pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. Finally, it computes the employee's net pay by subtracting the total deduction from the gross income. In this particular case, the user entered the name is Maria Carhan Andogan Carlin, basic salary of 330,000 and have the 8 hours overtime. So the 1% is 8. Then 32,400. Then the withholding tax is 2,500. Other deduction is 600. PhilHealth is 1050. Total deduction is 400 and 100, and the net pay is 24,300. So we have the result of our program. That's all, and thank you so much.